We're going to update the translations for the landing page. The landing page, same as any other website, is hosted and configured in the CMS, or the Content Management System, which is located under Tools, CMS. When I go there, there is a number of websites that we previously have integrated. Let's go to the one that is the landing page. We go to Settings, and here I have my menu. There I go to CMS translations, because every single element, every single word that is on the landing page can be translated here. Currently we have 163 translations. Most of them are in English. Some of them are in Spanish and some of them are in Swedish. The objective here is to translate everything as well, equally in Spanish and in Swedish. The best way to do that is to sort on the actual translation key, so that you can see whether in another language this translation key already exists. For example, this one is an easy one because it really doesn't have a translation, but let me translate it anyway. So I copy the key, I go to Add, I select the language, Spanish, I paste the key, and I put the Spanish equivalent, which here is the same, and I put it completed. I can do then the same with the Swedish one. I assume that is the same as well, and I put it completed. Next, I go to the next key, which is also only in English. I do the same. I add Spanish here, and of course here I do need to translate. So instead of putting possibility to buy, we're going to put posibilidad para comprar, or posibilidad de comprar. Whatever is best for you. You save. And this way you go for both Spanish and Swedish through the entire list until you reach the end, and that way your landing page will be translated completely.